My voice just cut out. See, that's what I'm talking about. Hello, 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 hello. So much easier if I put my hand over here. It's like way better. Whatever. Right. Refresh. But I'm not gonna talk like that. Foot Locker also released earnings today. All right, this one ANVS closed at 25.9 yesterday, and is at went all the way up to 38 already this morning. What's going on with that? It's up 36%. Inovia Bio rise on positive data, Alzheimer's disease trial. So maybe that will run today. We'll see what the reaction is on the market. We'll keep that up. JZXN on 1 million shares of volume, up 29%. JZXN, here's another one. When I go like this, it's like having you in your brain, like in Being John Malkovich. So JZXN closed at 7.5 and has moved all through yesterday's drop back to about 9.5. I don't really find that to be very significant, but we'll keep it on radar because if it can pop the high of 10.8, it might run. R-Fill on very low volume. $7.6 million follow-on or wireless. $7.6 million. So a $67 million market cap company just got a almost $8 million contract. R-Fill, RFIL. So they're up from $6.80 to $8.15. Low volume, so happens with that. And then Metex, significant surge in April gross billing. Metex, let me take a look at that chart. By the way, ANVS probably looks the healthiest of all these charts. ANVS. X. Are you guys hearing me okay now? I'm not cutting out. Or hey, that's like very specific. It sounds to me like you have the 420 calls expiring today. I wasn't a poker player for nothing. 2 years for nothing. Thanks, son. Can you close? Take a bite of this delicious bacon. All right, now we take a look to see if there's any bigger caps with any significant moves. And Deere reported earnings this morning, and they are up just 2%. But Faraz, what do you think? Think it's going to run today because of that? I think it could. I think Deere could have a very good day today. Right, and then IBN, let's see, big significant pop. Pan W, Palo Alto Networks rallies as analysts back upside after strong quarter earnings release. Okay, so Pan W, let's take a look at that. Was at 342 and is now at 363. Thank you. You what? All right, not sure what that means. Dip buy continuation. Yeah. I don't even know if there's going to be much of a dip because it's already been dipping. Otley, OTLY, up 7.4%. Oprah Winfrey backed oat milk brand pops. Okay, so Otley was an IPO yesterday. That's right. So it's up more this morning. Let's see. Oatly, I guess you could say. All right, it tried to pop yesterday's high, couldn't do it, of 23, and now it's back to 21.5. We'll definitely have that on watch. That's a recent IPO launched yesterday. May have been the day before. Yalla, there's another one. Yalla. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Always live once. Yalla, YALA. What's moving today? Yep, we're taking a look at Pan W, ANVS. These are the big ones. You own at 6.7 yesterday, sold at 11 after hours. Wow. Was that an earnings release based move there, John? You always live, always. There you go. Yalla. Right. What else is up significantly besides Yalla? And where is Yalla here? Okay, let's see what that looks like. Market. Yalla closed at 16 yesterday, hit 18.5 pre-market. It's back down to 17. So we will see if that will break out and run today. Looks like it's going to take, a little bit of the morning to do it. Buckle beats earnings and beats on revenue. Net income up 5%, up 2 points, 40 to 42. Buckle BKE. Nah, we can leave that one alone. Is Riot going to $100? What's happening with Riot here? Let's see. Oh, it's at $24 and still where it was yesterday. No, Riot's not going to $100. If somebody told you that, they're full of it. It will eventually, but probably not even this year. Tim Cook is taking the stand today. Wonder how the market will react. Yeah, you never can know. All right, let's finish up checking for any big cap poppers, possibly VFF. Yeah. All right. So now let's take a look at some crypto and make sure we have a good prognosis of what's going on in crypto land. Starting with Bitcoin. All right, so Bitcoin still has not priced up above the day in which it dropped. Okay, so that means that that day is still somewhat in effect to some extent. And so that means that until we can break 43,500 on Bitcoin, that big drop that it had is basically still in play somewhat. It could still push things down into a downtrend. So we have to be careful with that. We want to make sure that Bitcoin gets out of 43,500 level. Now moving to Ethereum. And the same with Ethereum, although Ethereum is in a much better spot, having shown a lot of strength recently, a lot of relative strength recently. Ethereum needs to get up and over 3,500. So you can be writing these numbers down. They're key levels. Ethereum needs to get over to 3,500 or it's fully out of the gate. Some people want to look at Doge. It's going to have the same prognosis as Bitcoin. Doge needs to get all the way up to 50 cents in order to have really crawled out of this last correction, this last crypto correction. Right now it's at 39 cents. So it has a ways to go. And to put that in perspective, right now it's at 50 billion in market cap, and it needs to get to 65 billion. So people need to put $15 billion into Doge in order for Doge to be back in the clear again. ADA. So ADA, good looking project, Cardano. It is at 1.7. It needs to get up to about 2 in order to be out of this last correction. But ADA is pretty bullish. I'm pretty bullish on ADA. Another one that I'm bullish on is XLM. And XLM needs to get up to about 0.65 in order to get out of the hole. Okay, there it is. All right. And so anyhow, XLM is in a uptrend, a very nice uptrend. It just keeps stepping up and stepping up and stepping up. And right now it's at the base of its next step up. So this is the time to get in to XLM. It's at 48 cents. And next, it may hit 80 in the 80 cents within a month. So you have an almost double sitting there waiting for you on XLM. Although you will have to sell if it breaks down beyond 34 cents. So that's 15 cents of risk. And a pretty substantial amount. I think it's like 25%. Let's see, 0.34 divided by 0.48. That's like 30%. Yeah. So crypto is pretty volatile. Matic, that's another one that I'm liking right now. Matic in also a decent buy spot of 1.7. When it breaks out, it will be over $3. So that's another one that could potentially double in the short term. Oh, Mac, that's pretty cool. Here, let me take a look at that on knowing that. Yeah, Bitcoin's at a point in which it needs to show a little strength, continuing forward. If we're gonna continue to have some faith in it. All right, the markets are opening in 7 minutes. Everybody on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio in order to come over to our trading room today, and we'll be day trading live. Well, Mac, I've even heard 20. Yeah, that goes. But the thing is, don't be so scared to get in because it will go lower. Just have a stop point. That makes sense. Don't be so scared to get in because you think you'll get a lower price that you miss it right now. So anyway, Matic looks good, and then Litecoin also looking good. Litecoin, basically, right now you can buy it for its February price. So that's a pretty nice discount. It rolled back 4 rallies, 4 pivot points, all the way back to February's price, and it's still got a strong bullish trend about it. And so that one could be a very good buy. Okay, VeChain. Let's see if that comes up here on TradingView. Yeah, it does. Okay, good. VeChain is bearish right now. VeChain, just like Bitcoin, is bearish. And that signal was before the correction. Really was a crash. Everybody wants to know about Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is just going down to the ground. Not looking good on Shiba Inu. Kava, I like Kava. I just don't know how the chart is here. Let's take a look. Kava is in a downtrend. Downtrend / flat. So there's like little growth, very little growth prospect there. How many day trades do I make on average per day? When we're actively day trading, we can do 300 to 500 day trades, but those are actual like trades. We may only be trading 20 times, 20 things, 10 or 20 entrances and exits. But because we're taking multiple ins and multiple outs, it could end up being like 2, 3, 4, 500 per day. Much like 300 would be a good rule of thumb. Somebody says meme coins will tank. Actually, I think meme coins are the ones that are going to hold better right now. So I have the opposite view on that one. It looks like Netflix just popped. Netflix popped from 501 to 508. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to refresh the market chameleon and see if there's anything new on the pre-market radar, because maybe news has been released since we last looked. And XRP, XRP is in a downtrend. So it's still at a good price. Could be at a better price. So it's kind of mid-risk right now. And it's in a downtrend. So XRP not that great. Yep, we already did it. We already did ADA. We already did Doge. We already did Ethereum. GSAT. GSAT looking good. You could probably stay in that if that's why you're asking. The only thing I would ever buy in crypto is just a little Ethereum. I just can't justify a value for crypto. Like, what is its value? It seems just like community sentiment to me. John, you gotta learn more about crypto. John, you didn't attend the class last night. We talked a lot about crypto. Yeah, Faraz. Yeah, Kawane says, I'm glad XRP is in a downtrend. He's not done stacking. Yes. What did they say in the movie? That's the spirit that beat the Japanese. That's a semi-cruel comment that Alec Baldwin said in the movie The Edge. Anthony Hopkins. All right, cool. Let's check over on the YouTube. What do you guys want to look at over on YouTube? Gennaro, what app do I use to trade? Crypto. If you're international, if you're not US based, you can use Binance. Is SI going to $200? This is what Rick wants to know. Not really. Not for a long time. It either is not or not for a long time. And by long time, I mean like not even this year. Sea Gold. What's that? Core Gold. No, that looks really ugly. I don't know why you're even in that. Get out of that. TGB. Taseko Mines. And this one looks great, I must say. I have not come across this. TGB in a beautiful uptrend and about at the 25% risk level. Oh, and the markets are opened. All right, everybody over on TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio in order to come on over to day trade with us right now. All right, now out of the gate, what do we got? All right, PanW dropping. Oatly, everything just opening sideways. I think Nvidia may be up a lot this morning. On the momentum breakout side of things,